Okay, in this example we are translating words into mathematical statements. We're going to write a phrase or a sentence as a variable expression or an equation or an inequality. So those are three different things. And we're going to let x represent the number. Okay, so here we go. Here's the first one. A number increased by 10. Okay, so what you should do is look for things here that are given. What we're given is let x represent the number. Okay, and then here's the number, a number, just any number. So we're going to say that's x. Why are we going to say that number is x? Because they're saying let any number x represent the number. So that's this part right here. Increased, we'll use the plus sign because that's increased by 10. Okay, so this is going to translate to x plus 10. Just like that. And that's all we're doing. We're just taking words and we're putting them into mathematical statements. There's your mathematical statement. Here's the words. Let's try the next one. The difference of 15 and a number, right there again, number, is 8. Let me scoot that up. I'll scoot it up quite a bit actually. So, right here, number, let's go ahead and put an X right here for the number. And they're saying difference, so that's going to be subtraction. We'll just put the subtraction there. And also they gave us some numbers here. Let's just circle these numbers so they stand out to us. Okay, the difference of 15 and a number. So let's go ahead and write the difference because we have a subtraction symbol right here. And the difference of 15 and a number. So 15 over here and x right there is, okay, is would be the equal sign. Usually when you see the word is, it's the equal sign. Depending on where is in the sentence, it can also, it may not be the equal sign because there might be something else, which I'll show you in the last example. So they're saying here is 8. So 15, or the difference of 15 and a number, is 8. Just like that. Let me go ahead and circle that one. Okay, so let me go ahead and go up a little bit. The quotient of a number and 7. So, okay, we have a number, x, and then quotient, that means division right there. And then we have 7. Let's circle that 7. Okay, so we've got a few things going on. We got the x, we got the 7, and we got the quotient. The quotient of a number and 7. Well, right here, they're saying quotient of a number and 7. So here's your number, and here's 7. The number is being divided by 7. We could also have written it like this. X divided by 7. If you were doing longhand division, you could write it like this. There's x being divided by 7, quotient of x and 7. And in the last one right here, product. Product is multiplication, and I actually put the dot there already for multiplication. That's why that dot's there. It stands for multiplication. The product of 5, so we can circle the 5, and a number, we'll put our x, is, okay, so usually we'd put an equal sign here, but just hold off, is less than or equal to 10. And that's supposed to be 10 right there. Now, this is the difference, is less than or equal to 10. Now, in this case, we have an inequality. It's not quite equal to, because it can also be less than. Two conditions. It can be less than or it can be equal to 10. So let's put our 10 right here. Now this number has to be less than. In other words, whatever's over here on this side of the alligator's mouth has to be less. That's why the alligator's mouth is pointing to 10. Now, it can be equal to 10. That's the other condition. So we put a line underneath it. Okay, because this number here has to be less than 10 or it can be equal to 10. Those are the two conditions from this part right here, less than or equal to 10. So that's how we got that symbol. Now let's work on this side over here to put it together. the product, multiplication, of 5 and a number. Okay, so we got product. Let's bring product over here. 5, the product of 5 and a number. Okay, so let's put 5 on one side of the multiplication sign, and a number, which is x, we'll put that on the other side. So this statement can be true just as long as whatever 5 multiplies to, it ends up being smaller or equal to 10. Oh, let me go ahead and circle that there. And we're done for this one.